Okay, hello everyone. Let me go through this again so we do it properly and get an end result. So, as we know, we said the first step will be to add a Telegram. Every automation contains a trigger. So this will be our trigger, and it triggers on a message, and you go for credentials. Name your credentials so you can remember it. I'm naming it Dean. Then you go to Telegram, go to your bot father, and after you go through all this process, you copy your authentication key. You take it back to access token, sorry, you take it back to Telegram, paste it, and then you save. After you save, I love testing each step, so let's go back. I test it and I go to my autonomally bot and I said hey, so by now it should trigger. So our this thing was triggered, and you can see the message here as hey. So what we need to do next is to connect our AI agent. So this is our AI agent, and always make sure to click on the source and click on define below. If you use this connected chatbot, it automatically picks it, but I will prefer you define your input below, that is for the prompt. And then you go here, pick this text, drag it and drop it into the prompt. You click on add options, go to system messages, and then say you are a helpful assistant, answer all my questions. So this prompt here determines what it does, determines. So let me just use AI so you can get it clearly. Okay, write a system message. So you can say it in different way, whatever you want to use it for, and this will basically write you a system message. So you can see you are an AI secretary and so on and so forth. Serve boss is prepared. So let's copy it, and then let's go back to N8N, and then we paste it here. Okay, so after you paste it, then you click on execute. It's going to face, and the error will be a chat model subnode must be connected and enabled. So you know, as I said, the AI chat model is the brain. Without it, nothing is going to work here. So we click here, we click on the chat model, go down, click on open AI, and then you use, most of you that open a free trial account got free OpenAI credits. You click on here, and I would love to remove this because we are using free credits, so it's going to affect our response. So make sure you remove this, then you go back, add your memory, a simple memory, click this connected trigger and define below. I love to use the chat ID as the key for my memory, and then add the context to, let's say, 20. Okay, So here then you can decide to add any tool you want. I will take you a course, or have give you another video on how to connect the credentials for Google Apps and Google APIs. So for now we'll just deactivate this and make it dormant, and then you have to add a response node, that is Telegram, and its action is going to be to send a message, send a text message. Okay, so now let's execute it step by step. So now the message is here and we execute it here. So this runs and this is the response. Good day, how may I assist you today? So we need to map that response into our Telegram response. So what you do is you go back to the first node. This allows you to see. So for the chat ID, you need the chat ID is found in the, this is the chat ID is found in the earlier node. So you go to the earliest node and click your chat ID, map it here correctly. Then the text you want to send back should be the response we got from the AI, and this is the response which is as an output. So you pick the response and you insert it here, and voila, you now have your Telegram chatbot. And when you click like this, it responds, and you can see my response. Good day, how may I assist you today? But what you notice is it's showing this message was sent automatically with N8N. And when you are having a chatbot, you won't want the users to be saying something like this. So what you do is to go back to your N8N, click on add fields, then you click on append N8N attribution, you remove that, and that is going to solve the issue. You save your workflow and it becomes perfect. So now we can send another message. Okay, let's click on execute. Then we send another message. Hello dear. Hello, how can I assist you? So that means my automation is working perfectly. But if I should send another message, it won't respond. Why? Because it always needs you to execute it before it responds. So when you are done building a workflow like this, what you need to do is to activate it. So you click here to activate it, and once that is active, it means that you can send the message at all times and the bot is going to see it and respond to it properly. So if I should go back to my Telegram chatbot and say, okay, I need Eba, it responds immediately. Would you like assistance finding a place to order Eba? Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you for confirming. Would you prefer recipe? Okay, I need that. Yes, a recipe. And here I get my recipe. But you should notice that once I switch this off and I send a message, it's not going to respond because it is switched off. So basically that is it. So if you want to see your executions or all the runs I carried out in this, you go to your executions and you see every step I took, even the ones that failed. You can see them here. So every step I took, all the tests I did, and all the successful executions are all found under execution. So evaluation, where you can check and analyze, test your project with different data. So you can watch a video on what evaluation does here. And as I said, what you need to do is to just name it Beans workflow. You save it and then you download it and then share it on WhatsApp as your assignment. So that's all that is required for the assignment. So you can build your chatbot, chat with it. So another thing I need to show you is that anyone you share this with, anyone I share this with, can also chat with the chatbot I built. So that is what makes it a chatbot, the fact that everyone can use it. So once I give someone this address, this username, and he uses it on his Telegram, he can be able to chat with this my chatbot, and it's going to respond to him just the way it's responding to me. And that is all about basic Telegram chatbot. So you can work on it, make your own more complex, explore other things, try and get it to respond to you with images, just do whatever. But first of all, just submit your assignment and everything will be okay and good. So thank you for your time, and